All right, daily skateboard lessons, let's go. So we're gonna start out with a little bit of stretching your arms. Get those arms moving across your body. We're just gonna get those shoulders, some blood into those shoulders, the elbows, down to your wrists. And yeah, we're out here in downtown San Francisco today. It's a little bit chilly, so you wanna get that blood moving. The more cold it is, the more you need to warm up, the more you need to stretch out. Good, now we're gonna do the same. Bend that knee, kick the leg up, keep it rolling. As comfortable as you can get. This should be helping with your balance too. I hope that your guys' balance is improving a little bit every single day. And I should make a new video with a balance board, help you guys get that practice down as well. Good, so keep that knee bent. Try and focus on being able to stand still and steady, and feel the different motions of your foot on the ground, and how as you kick your foot, you're gonna go like a little bit of weight forward, a little bit of weight back. If you need to hold on to something while you do this, feel free and do that. Let's kick that leg up and keep it rolling. Hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I hope that you are learning something new every single day. Now, we're gonna be stretching those hips and move that upper body. You guys are getting into the kick turns and the tic-tacs, starting to incorporate the full body. This is like the skateboarding full body workout. Maybe it should be like P90X workout video. Remember that P90X? So good, right? That's what I need to do so I can get ripped. That'll be my next channel that I make. Aaron Cairo gets ripped. Okay, good. I'm gonna do a little bit of arm circles. Just changing it up a little bit every day on this rotation. Good, we're gonna go backwards. Yeah, now I'm gonna put your feet just outside of your shoulders. You're gonna put your arms out, and then we're gonna go down. There we go. Just like that. Getting nice and comfortable with it. And good, at this point, you should be feeling pretty good. I would love for you guys to share your progress in the comments below, so I can read through that and help you guys out. And if you need personal help, you can join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. I'm always on there, willing to help you guys. Good, so you're gonna start out how we always start out, with a little bit of pushing. Put that foot on, turn around. Keep this slow though, keep it slow. Every day you start newly, especially if you're starting to feel a little bit of soreness in those muscles, that's good. It's nice and slow, and remember, you've got to bend those knees. We're gonna start be working on these muscles here. The more you bend those knees and the more that you're used to standing like that, the more these muscles are gonna develop. So they might be getting a little sore. They might be saying like, okay, slow down, chill out. Well, don't slow down and don't chill out. Keep going, but make sure that you're not pushing yourself past the point of comfortability. But if it's getting too hard, go back to those earlier lessons and just continue working on riding. But still, the same thing applies every day, 10 minutes a day. Get your 10 minutes in. Push and turn and turn and push. Heel side, toe side, heel side, toe side. Give a push, a little bit of tic-tacs, guys. You can do this going slower or standing still if you want. Go around. Get some crab walks in there. And notice how I'm incorporating all of those earlier skills that you learned on those earlier days. This should be making it nice and comfortable for you. I mean, honestly, once you get this comfortable and you can roll around and just do some of these things, skateboarding just opens up to a whole new level. It opens up to a point where it's just so much fun. Good, now you got that. Did the crab walk, did the tic-tac. Let's get you in some backside 180 kick turns. Let's give us 3 of those guys. Now we're gonna roll into the front side. And the way I like to do this is 3 in a row. If you can't do 3 in a row, like let's say you do 2, and then you fall on the 3rd one, go back and run it back until you get 3 in a row. And And you notice how, like, if I start to go, my balance starts to go off, boom. If I have that crab walk really down, I can really adjust, I can catch my weight, and I can be moving in all these different positions. So of course I've been skating 31 years. I don't expect you to be that fast with it quite yet, but I really want you to understand skating every day, 10 minutes a day, you're building up these skills, you're ending every session on a win, on an improvement, you're always getting better. You will get to that level very fast. Good, so now at this point, you've gotten what I call all of the basics of riding down. So you should just be working on those every single day. Every single day, get comfortable, rolling around, tic-tacs, boom. That's why I'm excited to run this series where I'm taking you guys through it, because I think that's one of the things that is most difficult about learning to skateboard from somebody who just goes like, oh, I've never seen this thing before. I never ridden a skateboard myself in my whole life, to actually riding and doing tricks. I think there's a huge barrier between where do I start? What do I do? How does this work? So I'm excited to take you guys through this. So you've now got the basics of riding down, and feel free to do that last video as many times as you need. No judgment, no pressure. Do it as much as you need, because now we're into your first very, very, very basic trick, which is going to be this guy, which can be a very scary proposition. What I don't want and what I'm trying to avoid is by having people go, it's my first day, let me try my first trick, boom, and they fall. We're trying to avoid you doing that. We want you to continue skating and keep going and learn at the proper step, one step at a time. That's what this is for. Good. So the first step of the popcorn, I don't even know if this is actually called a popcorn, but I think it is. You're gonna put your board down like that, put one foot underneath, and you're just gonna roll your toes up. So very slowly, I'm gonna roll my toe up, and then I'm gonna push it forward and keep my foot flat and drop it down on the board. I want you to do that 5 times. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna do this, the next foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got that, you're feeling pretty comfortable. The next thing is, this is where it gets really scary, can be a little bit difficult, is you're gonna go from this to jumping on. So the next step that you're gonna practice is just standing both feet. You're gonna jump just with both feet up and put both feet on that board. Boom. Boom. Focus in and watch with your eyes. Focus on this part right here, right above the trucks. It's very important. You don't want to be on the nose and tail for this. You want to be on the trucks, flat part of the board. And you also do not jump like this. If you jump like that with your feet close together, you're going to hit that board, fly out, and whack. Do not do that. Feet wider than shoulder length onto that board. Boom. Good. So you've gotten that, you're feeling comfortable, you got this step down with both feet. Now you're gonna put all of that together. This is scary. This can be a very scary proposition. Bend your knees, bend at the hips, stay as low as possible. If you jump on there and the board flies out from underneath you and you're low, you'll almost just simply sit down. It won't hurt, but make sure before you do this, you got the helmet on, elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards. You're fully set up, ready to rock. And now my toes are just above those trucks or underneath those trucks right now. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna personally concentrate on my right foot because it's my stronger foot. Down. And I'm gonna roll it mostly with that foot, but I'm jumping with both feet at the same time. And then I'm gonna fully commit. Don't be scared, don't psych myself out. Fully commit and jump on that board. Yes. Jump up, lock in. Let's go. So jump up, lock in, and roll it. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I'm gonna jump up, put the feet on the board, and run. Boom, I love it. You're gonna love it too. Good, so you get this down. It's your first official trick, the popcorn. Now we're getting you up to where you're playing a game of skate. Beginner game of skate at the skate park. Go challenge the kids. Good, so you got your feet there underneath it, jump up, boom, right down. And notice how much my knees are bent, my hips are bent, my weight is low. feeling good on the board. We're improving your guys' board control every day. Good. Now you got that, you can give it a push, tic-tac around, do a little monster walk, and then you can drop down and add in your brand new trick, the popcorn. You guys got this, you're killing it. Hope you guys are having an absolute blast. I hope you're learning every single day. If you need more personal help directly from me, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. I'll help you out and I'll see you out there skateboarding. I'll see you tomorrow.